The Furoshiki cloth is not a simple square cloth. It has a long history and it's a part of Japanese culture. In our Furoshiki Online workshop, you are going to learn what Furoshiki is and how to use Furoshiki. The Furoshiki that you will use in the workshop is going to be delivered to your home. It's an authentic Furoshiki and made in Japan. Please let us know your favorite design from our Furoshiki selection. During the workshop, your instructor tell you how to use Furoshiki step by step. First, you are going to learn how to make a basic knot. It's a basic technique of wrapping a thing with Furoshiki, and then you are going to try to wrap things. A pretty bag that you will make out of Furoshiki is good for daily use. This video is showing you some examples that you are going to learn in the workshop. We use Zoom, so if you have a question, you can ask your instructor at any time. For more details about our Furoshiki Online workshop, please check our website. We are looking forward to your participation. In the workshop, you can feel and experience Japan at home.